This is how George plays fetch with Sylvester. Who's this? Who's this? Ready, go! Bring it back! Bring it back! Yay! Good boy! Ready, steady, go! Bring it back! Bring it back! Ah, yeah! And now let go. Ready, steady,